What's going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or Born Hype, coming at you guys with another unboxing. You already know we got the butterfly knife. I have not seen this shoe in person yet, so it's gonna be the first time I see it with you guys. But 3 out of 13 of mine came in so far. Oh shit. This paper's kind of dope. Okay, so we got the Trophy Room Jordan 5s. Oh, these are actually a really nice suede. Really nice suede. Come with 3 sets of laces. These are real nice. These are actually sick. I don't really mess with 5s, but these are nice. And I got 2,379 out of 7,000 on this pair. Gang. And it also comes with a little dust bag. Oh, and a little card. I don't know what that is, but it's not like a retro card. It's kind of weird. And it's like, the inside of the box is like wooden. Oh, I didn't even realize this too. Has a trophy on the back. Jordan 1s have restocked on Bodega. Which ones are they? Ew, these smell awful. Jesus, these smell awful. It was the fucking Chicago's too. Damn it. Shit. Oh, too bad I'm making a video. Okay, back to the video. So, this is number 2,379. I'm going to open the other ones because I have a few more. Oh yeah, and it has the little 5 right there. Pretty sick. They definitely smell like straight out of the factory though. I don't really fuck with that. But everything else is cool. That one. This one. Someone decided to mow their lawn. Sorry if you guys can hear that. It's hot as hell and I don't want to close my windows. Receipt. Bang. Bang. I just want to look at the numbers and see if I got any cool numbers. Ooh, this one has a mean factory flaw. This one's 3,310. But look at this factory flaw. The 5 has like stitching over it. Kinda sucks. Whatever. They're not for me. So we got 2,300 something is the lowest we got so far. Bodega keeps restocking, so I'm just gonna click this real quick. Okay, nothing, we're good. What size is this? A 9. This one doesn't have a factory flaw, and it is 3,179. So, lowest one I got is 2,000. My boy got 665 on one of them. But I still have a lot more coming in, so. But yeah, guys, this has been the Trophy Room Jordan 5 unboxing and review. Hope you guys did enjoy. Shout out to Hermes Proxies. Link is down below as usual. And the bodega restocked again, 9.5. Let me do this. And they're sold out. Okay, dope. Alright, yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Hermes Proxies link down below. Make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, it's been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out. Peace.